Hello guys, good afternoon. I'm Jamaya. I'm now representing the food for the pregnant, also food for Filipino pregnant. So first we need the fibers. Although I don't have bananas, but like I will exchange it through oranges and mangoes, apples, and avocados. I also have soup for the pregnant and some sushi. Sometimes pregnant.
Parang familiar ako sa sushi na yan.
Sometimes pregnant person is like sensitive for any kind of food. So for my patient, she is craving for sushi.
Ah, okay. Kaya pala sushi.
Yeah. And I give her some nutrients balanced diet. That's why I have prepared fruits for her because she don't like to eat so much. She just want to eat some diet foods that can easily dissolve to her stomach, and have some corn soup so she will have some good appetite.
So why avocado?
Avocado actually it's good
For the baby or for the mother?
for the baby and for the mother also.
Why is it good for the baby? Ano meron sa avocado which is good for the baby? Have you heard of folic acid?
Yeah.
Folate or folic acid?
Yes.
It's very important. It's a very good nutrition for the brain development of the baby. And avocado is very rich of that. Omega-3 also, which is healthy fat, is also very good for that. And then you have in the Filipino, like Miat and then Kauter, pregnant women, I know that they love to eat like banana, what is that? Mango,
Orange,
the,
orange.
yeah.
And this sushi?
Yeah,
Sometimes
sushi
she
because
craving-
according to her patient's craving
Craving
sushi. Where's your proteins there? Protein is grow food, right? Since there's a growing
So-
baby, it is important that you have proteins for a
I
mother.
don't have protein meat, but I have the processed protein soup mixed in the corn.
Ah, okay.
So exchange to protein meat, you can use the protein soup.
Ah, okay. Bakit si mother kailangan ng mineral water?
Because sometimes she wants more water, or she's like having more water.
So the baby not to eat.
Yeah.
So guys, honestly speaking, if you are a pregnant woman, do you love the food that she prepares for you?
Yes.
Char, huwag kayong char. Yung totoo lang. Sige na lang, what can she improve on?
Real talk.
Real talk now.
Don't be
How about yung utensils? Is it okay for a pregnant woman?
to use.
The plate. You liked it? Like that? You don't feel...
The presentation of the fruits on top is very nice. So, like, you cannot recognize that much the plate anymore.
Because it's full of
It's
foods.
different.
Okay. So, what I can say is that... kakat ko na to. Okay, anyway. So, what I can say is, if you're preparing a food that easily oxidizes, like it easily gets dark. For example, like this one, apple. This apple easily gets dark.
Yes.
Yes, right? What else? You have the avocado.
Avocado,
You have
yes.
bananas. So, you don't necessarily have to peel it off right away. This patient is pregnant woman, not
Disabled.
disabled, not with disability, right? So you don't necessarily have to do that. So maybe this, and then aside from that, your fruits should not mix with your normal food. You should put it in a bowl of like fruits lang, not together with that. Okay, maybe you could improve on the plating. You could have hired a better or bought a better plate, and then the soup. Okay, it has to be put in a bowl also. Okay, so that's all, and I think it's already good na din. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.